Baltirash don thar na law the Féile Traidphicnic. Hope you enjoyed yesterday. We have great music for you all day today as well. Donate what you can. The details will be coming up on the screen. Bunagitana Vasan Law. Slán.
Tá mé agus Tommy Mellet an seo maid an bhrá Tower Chamas agus tá muid ag le casa coppla písin riib. Bhí muid ag Féile Traidphicnic an agus bhí muid seola an Luas go an Tower ach bhí Tommy Hall America agus ní Rochelle mar sin tá muid ag casa písin riib am líana le haid a bheith líne agus tá muid ag casa seo gríbne Carmórlin a bhása faoin nolach se caiite sinna Johnny Forric Féidir and Johnny Connolly. Tá muid ag casa tí riil Navy on the Shore nam tar géitseán. The Crooked Road a Lord Báire agus ag séach nó le come west along the road agus tásúlan go mana septainmh as an na físeán seo líne agus bannig í solt agus le cúna dé be muid arás ag Traidphicnic fiche hían.
Le gachtainna I Traidphicnic gá bhíle sa fiche, tá muid ag súil go mór leis an ceol agus an crack.
Nothing can stop the music and our amazing Trade Picnic Festival. We are online this year, but we'll be back on stage next year. So don't forget to donate whatever you can, following the links on screen or going to Trade Picnic website. Thank you so much. Gore mille Maggie.
Mór de gach duine ag Féile Traidphicnic fiche. Tá brónar in nach bhfuil muid an seo himléana ach tá Traidphicnic beagar siúil an seo.
An chéad gé geile ar chlár na Féile inniu ná muintirí Iarnáin as Rosie na Mainach in éach le Mairéad.
Daí besfáilte go Féile Traidphicnic gábhíle fiche tá muid fíorhuich a bheith casa team léana ag Bleeds Becker gur míle maithagaí. Welcome to Trade Picnic 2020. We're the Hurley family from Rosie na Mainach. Marcus Hurley on the flute, myself Brendan on the fiddle and Princess on the box. We're going to start with 3 jigs for you today. The Tumble the Tinker, Farewell to Ballinahulla and Billy McCormick's. Nis Tom's got a casa go waltz. A chéan waltz go Dagmar. Péidir come Marcus a show. Chéan farewell to Dagmar. Cara Morlin as sheer thief ring wheelie. Is she play like lice ballocks when she am wagon. Darkan waltz Sean Simon. Monkel. So we're going to play 2 waltzes. Farewell to Dagmar and Sean Simon's waltz.
gur maithagaí. Nis tá dáscarach chun gal díana cépar díb, mar sin hagad mo déir hir Somália. Díana siad pí damsa ar a seaností, gur maithagaí.
Daíbhis mis mé Einniú agus inniuh casma ó an bhainsiúib. Ráming trílaig I warige nó lán I wadóhír scan éine ach an ranneach glasifrí an isneachta áhé den was áram sanna gui gáhadachím ach mé bheith córáile má teamín a bán sníir a bhada le mánaí a bhuiir í leis céird a dhéanas mé tána gíomhre seo tíoch fór sa bhuiir í leis a céard a dhéanas an y teach seo sa bhfuil an. Gama is a hen a timach Gais y mishe fannocht an. Nach y gorong da chyd y cloniechyd Trí is trí lom Gamach mochlán se maleham Anni win se bas Nach dorotish gafiuntach me Trí has trí lom Vach pui fa de calcacu Na gan sydd lan Svach et rŵr banog O leif te han Lemach ine o sgyn clar Gweis e gar imach Mach on racham As fierce goial ne glor Smart a shan o hain Imwinish Bichi din ta hona la Bheadh mo chabín agus mar ribín ínte Siad go ráias moichan Dúre pádín amor Ga muines me No es garu veis Allah Gal shir lein Shechanegam Beyanare gairi ard Na kurile Sir kalame Marnian et amoiram Achatogi shiar Ga muines me Ate gwyn ar me osard Bheith sail shed Na duchani Sní bheith huignis aram Magi.
Nish, Shneish, Tom Zerikiak and Sosla Blast Reelan Inish. Thanks for watching, guys at home. I hope you had I hope you enjoyed it. So we're going to finish up with three reels now. The first two were composed by the old fella here, by Dad. First one's the herring gull, the second one's the diving gannet, and we'll go into a reel called St. Ruth's Bush. I hope you enjoyed.
Hello, Díobh Carua Cincúil sibh. Is mis Clare Sands, ceoltar agus airní as an Kirkig, ach tá mé seo I macónaí fad ceramí inis sa Carua, agus is even am an áid seo, tá sé absolútely go hálan. Muile buíochas go Bridge Barker thug Corridum a bheith páirteach sa féile seo. Rinne mé trí tafidir trí ceolcurm trá an dólín. So bunig I sult as an ceolcurm seo agus an féile. Muile buíochas, slán agus tóir ara.
Le sound ni friend look while in a skate is kid or conini. Oh, how ni friend let toward on the loving is him alone. Master bad for me, go on the Gulliver. Glock in the old is the organ in our again. Oh, how ni friend let Master bad for me get John a glacket. Nor a hind she than core she's doking a van and she. Oh, how me friend let toward on the loving healing is him alone. Fire my man made how forever. Fire solution is lawyer go can and I'm oh, how me friend let toward on the loving healing is him alone. Fire my man made how forever. Fire solution is lawyer go can and I'm how me friend let toward on the loving healing is him alone. Ni fall up the girl how me friend let Aksha coating down can go come winkle. Oh, how me friend let towards on the loving healing is him upon your feet, and the sun pour down like honey where you stand. May the wind be at your back, and the road rise to meet you, and your soul rest at last in the hollow of God's hands. Life isn't easy. No one ever said it was. But if you are lucky, you were loved and be loved. And may the rain always fall soft upon your feet, and the sun pour down like honey where you stand. And may the wind be at your back, and the road rise to meet you, and your soul rest at last in the hollow of God's hand. Trouble and sorrow, they carve the lines on your face, but you don't fear tomorrow. You'll meet it with your grace, and may the rain always fall soft upon your feet, and the sun pour down like honey where you stand. And may the wind be at your back, and the road rise to meet you, and your soul rest at last in the hollow of God's hand. May your friends be as many as the promises that you keep. May your laughter in heaven cause the devil to weep, and may the rain always fall soft upon your feet, and the sun pour down like honey where you stand. And may the wind be at your back, and the road rise to meet you, and your soul rest at last in the hollow of God's hand.